Hello. Oh, great. So we'll begin in 1 minute. 1 minute और वेट करते हैं. तो we'll start with the practice of उज्जयी today. पहले हम उज्जयी सीखेंगे 10 मिनट. उज्जयी का प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, फिर 20 मिनट के लिए ब्रीदिंग करेंगे. For these 4 Sundays, we plan to meet every Sunday to discuss more and have that importance of breathing in our lives. थोड़ा सा ब्रीदिंग को लेके हम ज्यादा रिस्पेक्ट, ज्यादा ऑनर के साथ प्रैक्टिसेस करें. ये एजेंडा है इस सेशंस का. तो शुरू करते हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द उज्जयी प्रैक्टिस फर्स्ट. अगर आपको उज्जयी पता है तो जिनको पता है वो भी साथ में प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. वी कैन प्रैक्टिस उज्जयी फॉर 10 मिनट्स एंड फॉर दोज ऑफ अस हु डोंट नो, we will do it together. Okay, let me just switch the mic so that I can have a better sound. Okay, now tell me if you can hear the audio, and this is the audio that I'm asking about. ऑडियो यस. ओके, गुड. तो मैं थोड़ा इंटेंशनली ज्यादा साउंड निकाल रहा हूं. आपको इतना ज्यादा आवाज निकालने की जरूरत वैसे नहीं है. यू डोंट नीड टू intentionally make a lot of sound. I am just making that sound so that you can understand it better. The idea is not to make loud sound. The idea is to understand the breathing. What we are trying to do essentially with the Ujjayi breath is constricting the throat. हमारे गले से सांस जाती है, हम उसको दबाते हैं, तो हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं फ्लो को. और जितना सांसों पे ज्यादा कंट्रोल करोगे उतना आपका मन पे और अपने बाकी सारी एक्टिविटीज पे कंट्रोल आने लगेगा. So breathing is the key to controlling literally everything in the world. Everything. And I'm not kidding. It really works like magic. So control your breath more often. Let's try to practice Ujjayi. Try making this sound with me if that's possible for you. Keep your eyes closed. Copy it. Okay, for those of us who already understood, just try practicing it more often. For those of us who did not understand, do this process with me. Do ऐसे. ऐसे करो. ऐसे आवाज निकालना है हल्की सी. फिर you're just breathing out, making the sound like ऐसे आवाज निकाले. And you do the same sound with your mouth closed. This is one method to understand Ujjayi. If you still did not get it, do this. ऐसे करो. एक और बार करो. फिर थोड़ा लंबा करो. More longer. Smoothen it out. देखो, उज्जयी आपको ऑलरेडी आता है. रात को सोते समय हर कोई उज्जयी में ही सांस लेता है. With breathing and with meditation, the more effort you put in, the less likely you are supposed to get it. Okay, तो जितना कम एफर्ट लगाओगे, कम दिमाग लगाओगे, वो जल्दी से आ जाएगा. जितना फोर्स करोगे, नहीं आ रहा है, नहीं आ रहा है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, जितना ऐसे पुश करोगे और समझ नहीं आएगा. ठीक है? तो just relax and just try to copy it. If it happens, happens. Even if it doesn't happen, doesn't mind. Don't bother about it. आ जाएगा. प्रैक्टिस करते रहो, करते रहो, करते रहो, अपने आप आ जाएगा. ठीक है? So it's all about practice. Let's try to copy it again. and then mouth close. Breathe in, breathe out. आंखें बंद करो, आराम से सांस लेते रहो. Try to constrict the throat and breathe in and out in Ujjayi. Relax. There is nothing that I can explain here. It's about figuring it out. कुछ चीजें जो इंटरनल होती है मैं एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकता. एक्सप्लेनेशन सिर्फ इतना है कि आपको गले को कंस्ट्रिक्ट करना है. लाइक you, if you want the water from your pipe to go farther away, what you do is you press the nozzle. Similarly, you have to press the throat internally like this. आपको अंदर से ऐसे दबाना होगा and automatically you will be able to control it. Okay. Even if you did not get it, it's all about practice. You can watch this video later again. Okay. For now, let's go to box breathing. Box breathing की practice करेंगे with Ujjayi. Okay. Switching back to the normal audio again. So keep your eyes closed, sit back, relax, and do it with the count. Take a normal breath in, breathe out. In Ujjayi, breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. In, hold, out, hold. In, hold, out, hold. In, hold, out, hold. In, hold, out, hold. 5 counts. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. In, hold, out, hold. In, hold, out, hold, in, hold, out, hold, in, hold, out, hold. Let's try to do 6 counts. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, hold, out, hold, in, hold, out, hold. And relax. Keep your eyes closed for some time. And gradually you may open your eyes. Great. So if you're not able to do 6, practice more often. That's the only thing I would say. देखो हर चीज का आखिरी में एक ही सॉल्यूशन होता है, वो है प्रैक्टिस. और मैं उसमें कुछ ज्यादा कुछ मदद नहीं कर पाऊंगा. दैट इज व्हाट यू नीड टू डू. या तो आप बढ़िया से एक टाइमर लगा सकते हो या मेंटली भी खुद बैठ के एटलीस्ट 5-10 मिनट रोज प्रैक्टिस करो. एंड दैट विल रियली बी एबल टू increase, like it will help you to increase your overall breathing capacity. Now let's practice the second breathing that we learned last Sunday, which is take a deep breath in and keep counting numbers. Doesn't matter how much you count, it's about expelling all the air from your lungs. It's not important how much you're able to reach or what is the count that you're reaching, but your lung should feel that there is no air remaining. So this is how it goes like. Take a deep breath in and keep talking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Then you take a deep breath in again. एक बार लंबी सांस लो और तब तक बोलते रहो जब तक कि पूरी हवा खाली नहीं हो जाती. ठीक है? तो मेरा आवाज नहीं आएगा आपको. I'll be on mute so that I don't disturb your count. I need you to do this 5 times. 5 बार करो. पूरी ताकत लगा के बात करना ताकि पूरी हवा खत्म हो जाए. This will help you improve the flexibility of your diaphragm and go back to the natural rhythm of breathing. Come on, do it 5 times on your own. Yeah. So there are all the possibilities while you're doing the box breath. Inhale is not possible. Hold is not possible. Exhale is not possible. Holding after the exhale is not possible. Anything, the answer is very simple. Practice more often. That's it. सांस लो और बोलते रहो, बस यही करना है इसमें. 5 बार करना है, 5 बार. नंबर मैंने नहीं पूछा, नंबर चैट पे मत लिखो क्योंकि इट इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट. नंबर इन दिस काउंट हैज लिटरली नो सिग्निफिकेंस. यू कैन जस्ट काउंट लाइक 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. ऐसे आप करोगे काउंट तो नंबर बहुत आगे तक जा सकता है. आइडिया इज नॉट रीचिंग अ मोर नंबर. द आइडिया इज टॉकिंग टिल द पॉइंट यू कैन नॉट से अ सिंगल वर्ड मोर. ओके, तो वहां तक आपको काउंट करना है. And if you're done, just keep your eyes closed, relax for some time. And gently you can open your eyes. The next breathing technique that we do is Bhastrika. तो भस्त्रिका के लिए क्या करेंगे? बहुत ही सिंपल है. Loose fist in front of your shoulders. When I say breathe in, you open your fist, take your hands up. When I say breathe out, you bring your hands down and keep your fist back closed. Okay? Simple. After this, we hold incoming breath. सांस लेने के बाद रोक के रखना है, उसको बंद लगाना कहते हैं. ठीक है? Ready for it? Loose fist in front of your shoulders, elbows close to the body. One round, if you want, you can keep your eyes open. The next two, keep your eyes closed. For Bhastrika, together, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10, in, 1, in, 2, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10. Take a deep breath in and apply your Kegel's lock. गुदद्वार के स्थान के आसपास जितने मसल्स है उनको अंदर खींचो. Pull the muscles around your anal region, squeeze your hips, hold the breath. And release. Round 2 Bhastrika. Together, breathe in, out, in, out, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10, in, 1, in, 2, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10. Again, breathe in, hold your breath, Kegels hold. Release. Third and the last round. Take positions again. Keep your eyes closed. आंखें बंद करके करेंगे. Together for Bhastrika. Breathe in, out, in, out, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10, in, 1, in, 2, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10. Again, breathe in. Hold your breath. Pull the muscles around your anal region in. Eagles hold. And release. आराम से बैठे रहे कुछ समय के लिए आंखें बंद ही रखे. Keep your eyes closed for some time. Let the impact or the effect of Bhastrika sink in. आंखें बंद रहती है तो प्राणायाम का इम्पैक्ट बहुत अच्छे से आता है. And slowly you can open your eyes. The last breathing that we do is the Wim Hof method. So you breathe in actively from the nose, breathe out from the mouth, as if you're just breathing out. वो अपने आप सांस बाहर जाएगी. ऐसा हमको 20 से 30 times करना है. Then we take a deep breath in, hold the breath, and then we breathe out and hold the breath for a longer duration, as long as possible. नहीं समझ में आया? Just follow the instructions. So this is how you breathe in. This you do 20 times, okay, 20 to 30 times, and then just follow it as I'm saying. So 20 times, breathe in from the nose with a little force and breathe out automatically. Take a deep breath in, hold the breath. Breathe out. Hold your breath as long as possible. You can pinch your nose to be sure that you're not breathing. Relax whenever you're done. Keep your eyes closed. Get ready for round 2. 20 times, breathe in from the nose, active, breathe out from the mouth, passive. Let's continue. Take a deep breath in. Hold the breath. Breathe out. Pinch your nose. Hold your breath for as long as possible. Push yourself a little bit more. जितना हो सके उतनी देर सांस रोक के रखेंगे. Keep your eyes closed for some time. One last time. Keep your eyes closed. आंखें बंद रखते हुए तीसरी बार आखिरी बार करेंगे एक बार. Continue. Take a deep breath in. Hold the breath. And breathe out. Hold again as long as possible. Whenever you're done, keep your eyes closed and relax. Sit comfortable, take a back support, and be absolutely still like a statue. एक मूर्ति की तरह स्थिर बैठ जाओ. 1 mm भी मूवमेंट नहीं होना चाहिए शरीर में. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. And whenever you feel like, you may gradually open your eyes. जब भी आपका मन करे तो धीरे से आंखें खोल सकते हैं. Good. How is the mind? मन कैसा है? Breathing is something that impacts the mind more. बाय बाय. थैंक यू सो मच. आपका दिन शुभ रहे.